डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब आंबेडकर ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी.
Namaskar. Welcome to the session, dear learners. Today, I will discuss a little about two terms that are very widely used, and they indicate something about the approach of the dancer or approach of the dance itself. And these two terms are Natyadharmi and Lokadharmi, or maybe Lokadharmi and Natyadharmi. We know Natya is something about theatre or dance or performance to mimic. So that's all about Natya. Lok is about the people, the folk or community. When we talk about Dharma or Dharmi, it is very important to understand the meaning of Dharma and Dharmi. Dharma has nothing to do with the terminology or term translation religion. Dharma is not religion. Dharma is generally the virtue, quality, behavioral pattern expected from an individual in particular role. किसी भी एक व्यक्ति से उनका जो दायित्व है, उस दायित्व को लेकर उनसे जो गुणों की, जो कर्तव्य भावना की, जो मूल्यों की, जो स्वभाव की, जो आचरण की अपेक्षा रहती है, वो धर्म है. Now try to understand. It happens that many times my daughter may say, Ma, don't worry about me. You need not to wake up full nights for me. And I say, oh, I'm mother. It's my dharma. This is matra dharma. This is the duty of a mother. And that duty I perform with all affection and love. When I'm unwell, Papa, you need not to worry. You need not to wake up. You need not to, oh, it's my pitru dharma. So matra dharma, pitru dharma, guru dharma, Parosi, the neighbor's dharma. So everywhere, be it be a teacher, be it be a professional, a lawyer, a politician, mother, father, husband, daughter, everybody has that dharma. Now, dharmi is a kind of attitude, approach, qualities, virtues, behavior, presentation components expected from. So, Natya Dharmi and Loka Dharmi. First, I will explain, Loka Dharmi because it becomes easier. Loka Dharmi. Now, very easily understood, accepted, very well found as relevant content is Loka Dharmi. Bending towards, more inclined towards people's behavior. Lokadharmi. How people talk, how people dress up, how people behave, what kind of relationship they cherish or enjoy, they maintain. So continuously the performance when is more towards people's behavior. Not as, it is easier to understand after understanding Margi and Desi. While I was explaining Margi and Desi, at that time also I had mentioned Lokadharmi and Natyadharmi. So it is very important that Lokadharmi, for example, when a dancer comes on the stage and she wants to present that Shri Krishna is there. So she dresses up as a Krishna or he dresses up as a Krishna, wears the same kind of pitambari and all clothes, having that more mukut also, the morpich there on his or her head, having flute also in the hand. Now this is Lokadharmi. everybody understand. The dressing is Lokadharmi. Natyadharmi means explaining or performing with certain hasta mudras, hand gestures, and certain very technical postures, language, communication, that becomes Natyadharmi. Now, if a Natyadharmi Kathak dancer wants to present something, she will not dress up as Krishna. She will be in her regular clothes. She might have worn chanya choli also. She might have worn anarkali also. But simply she will show like this. Now, this makes her Krishna. And after Palat, this makes her Radha. Now, for Krishna and Radha, she simply takes a Palat and she changes the same clothes. No prop is there. No prop. No particular costumes of that character. That's more Natyadharmi. In Lokadharmi, if anyone, carries that earthen pot, if she's going to fetch water, Gopi is going to fetch water, वो पानी भरने जा रही है, and she's having that earthen pot, matuki, in her hand. So in Lokadharmi, she may get like this. She may get like this. But if it is in Natyadharmi, she will be very clear that Sharpa Shisha, it should be Sharpa Shisha only. If it is Kapota, it is a Kapittha only. If it is Katkamukha, it should be Katkamukha only. So if Gungat is this, so it should be this mudra only. But if Lokadharmi mudra, she may cover her face like this and she may do like this also. Okay? Gungat. Now, this is not exactly a theme. This might not be any mudra, but she's doing it. So, in Natyadharmi, very strong structure, uses of particular hand gestures in the way they should be presented. Matuki should be hold like this only. Flute, Bansuri should be hold like this only. Radha should walk like that. And Lok Dharmi, however people gets connected, the mudras also, they come from Lok. And listen, in Bharatanatyam and other few classical dances, the Hasta Mudras are very Natyadharmi Hasta Mudras. While Kathak, again, that has travelled from so many changes and evolving itself, there more Hasta Mudras are Lokadharmi Hasta Mudras also. You may not find exactly that kind of hand in either Bharatanatyam Shastra or in other books, treatises, but they are used. So in Natyadharmi, generally the events also they take place. The decoration of the stage is Natyadharmi. That okay, they've created a village, they've created a hut, they have used so many props on the stage. So that is Natyadharmi. Generally, dramas are more Lokadharmi and classical dances are more Natyadharmi. Because in classical dances, more hasta mudras, hand gestures, particular footwork, particular costume only, and generally they do not use much sets, and yes, they may use certain lights. Light effect will be there. Sound effect they may use. But generally, props are not used much. Even the language also. For example, earlier Bharatanatyam never used to be performed in regional languages. But now you see, in Gujarat, Bharatanatyam is very frequently used with regional language also. And the story and the clothes also they change. And with the time, things change. But generally, in Natyadharmi, Indian classical dances, props won't be much there. In Aharya also, not much of communicating stage decoration will be there. Even the language also. In Natyadharmi, the language is very technical language. Toda, Tukda, Amad, a particular structure in particular raga, Thumri, particular raga, Hori, Drupad, Tamar, Stuti, Shlok with certain structure. That's Natyadharmi approach. But a folk song, taking up folk song and presenting, taking up any very comfortable, not following particular very strict structure, any bandish, any song and performing dance on that, that's more Natyadharmi. So be it be the dressing, be it be stage decoration, be it be style of presentation, be it be costume of an individual, technicality of performance, maybe Vachika, that's a sound also. everything which is more inclined towards the common man's understanding, it is lokadharmi. And when it is more technical, which is to be understood, communicated by more of a trained people, that is classical or natyadharmi. So now lokadharmi and natyadharmi, I'm sure, are clear to you. My dear learners, this is endless sea, endless sky. You keep on reading, you keep on listening, you keep on exploring, you keep on interpreting, you keep on researching, which is the need of the time. One life is not enough. And so let us pray Almighty, give us long, healthy life. Give us more fruitful, meaningful life where we can explore, we can work upon, we can research upon the beautiful reservoir, treasure of this Indian culture, Indian classical dances, and we can give to the world, to the universe, the best of it. Wish you very happy learning. Keep on learning and keep on dancing. Thank you very much. See you in next session.
स्वाध्यायः